Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I do have a monthly palette giveaway, so that is going on. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. And then when this channel reaches 200 subscribers, we'll be giving away a huge box of things. So make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned for that. Today we're going to be talking about Empties. I usually do about 10 when I have about 10 products in my bin. I like to come on, do a quick little video for you guys, show you which ones I loved, which ones I haven't, and which ones I'm going to repurchase. So let's dive into my Empties bin. So the first one is one that I've talked about before, and it's the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. Guys, this for a girl who's in her mid-40s, love this. It makes my face feel so hydrated. I've repurchased multiple times and probably will continue to do so to find something better. And it hasn't happened yet for a while, so I'm really loving the Clinique Moisture Surge. Next, let's jump in. Keeping with skincare is the Sunday Regular A+ high dose Retinol Serum. Love this. I did get this little sample in a box, but I've turned around and I do have a full-size one. So here is the full-size one I have, and then this one is a little sample that I did use up. The one I have noticed difference. I really do love it. The one thing I will say is I will alternate days. And for my evening routine when I do this and my vitamin C, I don't like doing them both in the same evening. I feel that that's too harsh for my skin. And so when you start off, if you mix a little bit of this with your moisturizer, and then don't do it every day, do it like every couple days, and then you could gradually work down to doing it every night if you wanted to, and then layering. I always layer a thick moisturizer on top. Next we have for eye cream, I've used up the Farmacy Do It All. I really like how hydrating it is. It completely depuffs my eyes. It even helps with the little fine lines. I really like this. I'm going to repurchase this one. I've got a couple others that I'm testing out in between time, and then I will repurchase this one again. Here we have the Clinique Repair Wear Sculpting Night Cream. This one I use every night. It is amazing, guys. Makes my fine lines less fine line. We all love a little plumper, sculpted looking face. This totally helps with that. And I really like how it has helped my neck and kind of décolletage area. So I have gone ahead and repurchased another one of these. I've also used up the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. It's a toner, and it's like their step 2 in their 3-step process. And I loved it. I've used it forever. The only thing is that it has alcohol in it. I'm trying to find a new toner now that doesn't have alcohol in it. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. Also by Clinique is their Take the Day Off Makeup Balm. I purchased the big full size of this. This stuff works amazing. It's great for taking off makeup at the end of the day. I just kind of wet my face just a little bit, smooth this on, rub it all over the eye, gently all over the eyes, and it does wonders. I always do a 2-step process in cleansing my face. I do kind of a makeup remover step first, and then I go in with my facial soap afterwards. This stuff is amazing. I haven't found a balm yet that works as well as this one does. Okay, let's dive into makeup. So makeup, I used up the Clinique Moisture Surge Tinted Moisturizer SPF 15. I was in the shade 4. And I love a tinted moisturizer, especially in the summer. You don't want to wear a full, heavy duty, full face. This stuff is great. So they have stopped making this, and so I have switched for my everyday foundation, and the one that I have on today is the Clinique Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15, and this is in the shade 40. From Urban Decay, they're all-nighters, setting spray, love it. Once I'm done putting on my makeup, spritz a little bit of this on. It has a really fine mist, which I like, and it helps my makeup last all day. So yes, I have repurchased another one of these. My last two items are bath and shower related. I love staying hydrated, and here is the Olay Ultra Moisturizer Shea Butter Lock-In Moisture Body Wash. I put a little bit of this into my puff and then work into kind of a lather. This makes my skin feel so clean, so moisturized, and I love the little scent to it. I've been using this for years and love it. You can get a big pack of them at Costco. And lastly, kind of speaking with the Olay kit too, Gillette Venus makes a razor that has Olay kind of built into it, and then it so it kind of looks like this. It has the two different ends here that really moisturize and glide, and so you can buy these as just little replacement heads, and then you just kind of snap them on here and you're good to go. Love this. I don't get razor bumps or anything like that. I don't need a shaving cream. Just in the shower, just do this and I am set. So love this, and I've repurchased these little replacement heads a ton of times. So that is it for my 10 quick empties. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.